What's up, everyone? This is your boy Grand Deizel here, back at you again with yet another video, guys. It's Wednesday, super beautiful Wednesday. I just got off of work and weather is beautiful, about 55 degrees. And I said, man, I gotta hit out there and talk to my people, all because there is a comment that I received right before I left work. It was a video that I did. I'll see if I can put it somewhere, or I'll leave it in the link description below. About light pipe save lives or not, and I broke it down, guys. If you get a chance, just go ahead and take a look at it, man. I broke it down, and actually what I did was I added a bits and pieces of information, which is high vis, as far as reflective clothing or jacket or whatever is concerned. And then also I added a loud horn to it. And this subscriber of mine, he made a perfect sense. And I wish I had the comment here in front of me, but I'll see if I can do a screenshot and put it somewhere else. But basically, if I understood exactly what he wrote, and if I can remember, he said he do have a loud pipe, but he will actually combine all of them because, and this is what kicked me. And I told him, I'm like, man, I love this, and I think I'm gonna steal it. I'm gonna steal it, and I'm gonna make a video about it. This is what exactly he said. He said he's gonna go with all of them, basically. He wanna be seen, he wanna be heard, and pretty much everything. So he's like, no, I can't take one over the other, man. I want to be seen, I want to be heard, because, guys, I can't stress it enough, when it comes to our safety on these two wheels, man. We have zero protection when it comes to safety here. Like zero. We ain't got no airbags. We don't have no seat belts. We don't have no comfy seat where we can sit and relax and, nothing. When you go down hard, man. And a lot of people have lost their lives. A lot of riders are paralyzed. A lot of riders have, they got a pretty messed up day because of, a simple safety, okay? Man, I wish I could have done this video for a little bit longer, but it looks like it's getting darker. My helmet is smoked, and that's how it came. When I bought it from the cycle gear, that's how it came with. And I never change it by any means. I always ride with this, whether it's dark or whatever. Most people have issues at night. Me, have zero issues. So, but I can feel that I can see the darkness, and I'm only worried about the performance of my cameras because, hey, as this may be good in low light and all that, these sensors are very small and pretty much they're not good in low light, period. Even the bigger cameras, so I don't want to rely on these small sensors for, a night shoot or anything like that. So I'm gonna make this real quick, but basically I love what this guy said, man. He said he want to be seen, he want to be heard, which I think is true, man. So that actually shows that some of you guys are following me, you guys are paying attention, you guys are calling out on some of the video, because at the end of the day, guys, I'm not perfect, okay? I'm not perfect. I'm just like you, we make mistakes, but most of the stuff, most of the content that I push out here, I do it based on my own experience, okay? So it may work for me, but it may not work for you. And again, if you come and comment on any of my videos, and it's very constructive. Actually, I'll give you a shout out. Like, I'm making a video on a comment that one viewer just made, and I read it and I say, man, it makes a lot of sense. It makes sense. You just don't only want to be seen, but you want to be heard. If you have a loud pipe, it may not be as loud as you wanted it to be, but at the same time, you want to be heard. Okay? And if you have a loud horn, same, you want to be heard. So that's a perfect example of what I was talking about. I made a video and I was saying that I have a thick skin. I do have a thick skin. But at the same time, I'm not stupid. I can, if I see a constructive comment, I see it, man. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure it out that, oh my God, this is a very constructive, comment. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to do that. Okay? So if I see something like that, definitely, I won't play it. You can't be, over careful, man. I told you guys that I used to drive a 18-wheeler, right? I'm gonna tell you guys a little funny story. I'm not sure if it's relevant to this video, but this guy, what he did was, we were driving in DC. It was a local job that we were doing, and we were going under a bridge. If you guys know, trucks have a clearance, not every bridge that you can go under. And in DC, because it's the nation capital, there's a lot of restricted areas that a truck cannot go. So we were, driving underneath this bridge, and actually, I was in the passenger seat watching this guy as he clears the bridge, and I know he's gonna clear it because it stayed there like 16.4 or something like that, I knew he was gonna clear it, but this guy is being too over carefully to the point that as he was sitting in the truck, he was bowing down his head, like he was like crunching his, his head, just making sure he doesn't hit it. So I saw what he was doing. I was like, yo, what the hell you think you're doing? If this truck don't clear the bridge, what do you think he's gonna come hit you? He started laughing. He didn't even realize what he was doing. Excuse me. He did not even realize what he was doing until I said something. And he's like, man, I'm sorry, man. I've been overprotected, man. I said, no, I thought you're funny, man. So you can't be over carefully, you know what I mean? But that is just my point. We are here to learn. Everything that I do on this channel is practical, man. I don't care about these numbers that they put out there. I don't care about no. If I put out a video and you think, hey, Grant, if you add this to the video, it's gonna help. Guess what Grant is gonna do? I'm gonna do exactly what you asked for. You know what I mean? Again, we are learning. We are all learning. So, shout out to this subscriber. If he's watching, I just want to thank him so much. That he left this comment, and he's like, no, Grant, you cannot just pick one. You got to pick both of them, or the whole three, and just stay alive as much as you could. And that's exactly what he did, and I truly appreciate that. So this is a perfect example. So I just want to say thank you, for watching my videos, and leave a comment, man. If you leave a comment, if you have a suggestion, whatever the case is, man, just leave it in the comment down below. I would do something about it if I have to, and we're gonna be one big happy family. So thank you again for watching this video and being with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Shalom.